Conventionally, grinding used to be performed on specialized grinding machines and required setup changes. DMG MORI has developed the grinding cycle as a new technology cycle for its MTX series of turn mill machines. With the grinding cycle, customers can integrate processes into a single machine tool, including turning, milling, gear machining, and grinding. Let us take a deeper look. Programs can be easily created by following the on-screen guidance. First, register the grinding wheel and dresser on the tool registration screen, and then create a machining path. The MTX supports large-capacity tool magazines to avoid setup changes for applications, with different tools for external and internal grinding and more. Simply follow the guidance to create a dressing program and start dressing. Customers can enjoy the benefits of contact detection between the grinding wheel and the workpiece, including even more accurate detection by AE sensors. These functions enable grinding of outer diameters, inner diameters, and end faces with high accuracy and efficiency. With center-through coolant, customers can be sure that coolant is always supplied to the machining point. In addition, process integration includes measurement as well. The Technology Cycle Measuring Pro makes it easy to create measurement programs. Finally, there is Zero Sludge Coolant Pro grinding for grinding processes. By thoroughly separating sludge and coolant, customers can avoid scratches and reach stable surface quality. Realize grinding with easy-to-understand guidance and rich functions. DMG MORI integrates turning, milling, grinding, and measuring processes into a single machine tool for your productivity and satisfaction.